Alright, here's a how-to video on adjusting a Rainbird Series 5000 rotor. As you can see, the rotor's throwing all the way out into the street and on the sidewalk. So we're just going to reduce that down a little bit. There's an adjustment screw on the rear of the rotor, and we're just going to go counterclockwise with it until we get it back on the grass. Alright, now that we've adjusted the rotor's not throwing into the street, it's not throwing on the concrete, so we've got less water waste.